The Association of Graduates Biennial election is February 4th through March 18th, 2019, and casting your vote couldn't be easier. Watch for the 2019 AOG Directors and Bylaw Change Election email or letter in your mailbox on February 4th or 5th from Survey and Ballot Systems and your Association of Graduates. Then, click on or enter the direct vote link in your browser's address bar to be taken to the voting website. You will not be able to vote through the AOG website. This email also includes your unique AOG member number and election passcode. You'll need those to log in and cast your ballot. If you'd like further instruction on how the voting website works, click on Voting Instructions. Otherwise, click on Go to Ballot to begin voting. Once you've reached your ballot, please read it carefully. The first item on your ballot is the proposed bylaw change. If you'd like more information about this ballot measure, click on View Bylaw Rationale. Otherwise, vote by selecting either Approve for Yes or Disapprove for No. Under the next item on your ballot, you'll vote for your new AOG Board of Directors. If you'd like to know more about the candidates, click on View All Director Candidate Bios. You can also read about each candidate individually by clicking on View Bio next to each candidate's name. Once you're ready to vote, check the box next to the name of each candidate you wish to vote for. You can select up to 6 candidates. After you've completed your ballot, click the Go to Ballot Confirmation button at the bottom of the page. Here, you will confirm that you've made all of your desired selections. If you'd like to make changes to your ballot, click the Change Votes button. Do not use your web browser's back button. To make your vote official, click the Submit Ballot button. You will not be able to make changes to your ballot after this step, and your vote will not be counted until you click this button. Make your voice heard by voting in the Association of Graduates Biennial election, beginning February 4th through noon Mountain Time on March 18th, 2019.